Welcome to a special deep dive into semiconductor revolution and how India is carving out space in this trillion-dollar industry. In this video, we will explore the chip that powers the modern world, India's roadmap, global lessons, and the opportunities that lie ahead of us. Semiconductors are materials that conduct electricity under specific conditions, essentially for building microchips. Chips are the brain behind the smartphone, satellite, cars, or even the defense system. India recently unveiled its first 32-bit RISC-V processor built on 180 nanometer tech tailored for space and defense. Chip production involves multiple steps: design, raw material like silicon and germanium, dopants, insulation materials like silicon dioxide, photolithography, and final testing. Each step requires deep tech and clean room grade facilities. India's first attempt came in 1976 and with Semiconductor Lab in Mohali, but global competition sprinted ahead. Japan in the 80s, Korea in the 90s, Taiwan with TSMC in the 2000s, and China post-2014 with massive investment. Fast forward in 2021, India launched the India Semiconductor Mission with rupees 76,000 crore outlay to build a full stack ecosystem, design, fabs assembly, and testing. First, India's mega fabs are taking shape. Micron in Gujarat, Tata PSMC in Dholera, ISMC analog fab in Mysuru. These aim to bring foundry capability to Indian soil. Publicly listed companies stand to gain: CG Power, Sahasra, Moschip, Hind Rectifiers, and others. The names mentioned here came up as a part of my own study and is not a recommendation of any sort. These players are investing in testing, packaging, and specialized components. India could catch up in areas like mature node fabrication, auto chips, and packaging. In two lanes racing, one fast lane with Taiwan, Korea, US chips, second lane showing India joining halfway. Label the lanes sub 7 nanometer versus 28 nanometer. The global semiconductor industry is projected to reach $1 trillion by 2030. The US, Taiwan, South Korea, and China dominate across design, foundry, and memory. India must ride the digital wave and invest consistently. All of you would have heard about NVIDIA's halting H20 chip in China amidst compliance scrutiny. Meanwhile, China pushes self-reliance with Xiaomi and state support. In the US, AI chip powerhouse consolidate Intel, NVIDIA, AMD, Oracle, who are doing cross-investing strategically. Looking to invest? Watch out for companies with upstream exposure. The world runs on chip, and India is finally in the race, backed by policy, demand, and strategic urgency. The road ahead may be tough, but the journey has begun. It's time to chip in. Thank you.